Everyone wants that face with a sharp jawline and clear skin. But the problem is, most guys keep buying random products, copying TikTok skincare routines, and still wonder why nothing changes. That's because you're fixing the wrong things. You don't need 20 products or insane genetics to glow up. You just need the right rules. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple Looksmaxxing rules that can upgrade your face in just 7 days. Let's start. 1. Cancel out rule. The cancel out rule is simple. You don't need to fix everything, you just need to balance your weaknesses with smart moves. If you can fix something, fix it. If you can't fix it right now, create an illusion that cancels it out. That's strategy. For example, if your acne is not going away right now, don't panic and don't obsess over every small pimple. Use a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer like a rice-based Korean formula to make your skin look smooth and glowing. Healthy glow distracts from small breakouts because people notice shine and overall texture before they notice tiny imperfections. Another example, if you're skinny, stop complaining about your frame. Instead, wear structured clothing like baggy blazers with wider shoulders, slightly lower waist trousers, or layered outfits. This makes your upper body look broader and more powerful instantly. You're not hiding, you're strategically redirecting attention. Style is about illusion. Confidence is about presentation. Fix what you can, enhance what you have. Create illusions for the rest. Because attractiveness is not about perfection, it's about perception. Also, all it takes is 1 day to apply these changes. And soon I'll drop a full illusion list that can instantly upgrade how you look without surgery, crazy diets, or extreme effort. 2. Structure. The first and most important step is simple. Reveal your structure. That means lowering your body fat. Yes, you've heard this before, but it's repeated for a reason, because it works and it's the most important step. When you lose extra fat, everything changes. Your jawline becomes sharper, your cheekbones become more visible, your face looks more defined, your body looks tighter in clothes. You don't need to become a bodybuilder. You don't need huge muscles. You just need a lean physique with lower body fat. And honestly, that's not as complicated as people make it. Here's what you do. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. This reduces bloating and face puffiness. Stop eating salty junk at night. Salt holds water and makes your face look swollen. Go to the gym consistently. Even 2 months of proper training can create visible change. Focus on strength training, eat enough protein, stay in a small calorie deficit. That's it. Most guys think they need crazy genetics to look sharp. No, they just need less fat covering their structure. When the fat drops, your natural features show up, and that alone can completely change how people see you. 3. Use retinol at night. If you want better skin, start using retinol at night. Retinol helps reduce acne, smooth texture, fade wrinkles, and improve your skin over time. Think of it as a long-term upgrade for your face. Use it correctly. Apply only at night, use a pea-sized amount, start 2 to 3 times a week, and always wear sunscreen in the morning. For glow, use a moisturizer with Korean rice water. It helps brighten dull skin and gives that smooth glass skin look. Simple combo, retinol at night for repair, rice water moisturizer for glow. Clear skin plus natural glow equals instant facial upgrade. 4. Creating color contrast. This is a simple but powerful trick. Color contrast means making your best features stand out by slightly deepening or enhancing their natural color. Attractive faces usually have strong contrast. Dark hair, clear skin, defined lips, sharp brows. When contrast is higher, the face automatically looks more striking and defined. Here's how you apply it. Use a light red or tinted lip balm. It makes your lips look healthier and more noticeable, not feminine, just fresh and alive. If your beard has light patches, use a beard pencil to lightly fill them in. If your eyebrows look faint, darken them slightly. Darker brows frame your eyes better. A fuller beard makes your jaw look stronger. The goal is simple. Make light areas look clean and bright. Make dark areas look deeper and sharper. That difference creates contrast, and contrast makes your face look more powerful and structured without changing your actual features. It's not about makeup, it's about enhancing what's already there. 5. Shape. After contrast, the next step is shape. Color makes you stand out, but shape makes you look sharp. You can have good features, strong brows, nice beard, good skin, but if the edges are messy, everything looks unpolished. Start with your eyebrows. Remove the extra hair under them, clean the space between them. Don't overpluck, don't make them thin, just clean the edges. Keep the natural thickness, just remove what doesn't belong. Clean eyebrows instantly make your face look more structured and mature. Now your beard, trim it modularly. Even small, uneven hairs make a difference. Define your neckline, don't let it grow too low into your neck. Keep your cheek line neat. Natural, but clean. A messy beard looks lazy. A shaped beard looks intentional. The goal is simple. Clear lines, clean edges, defined shape. When your face has contrast, structure, and clean shape, you automatically look more put together. Not because your features changed, but because now they're controlled. That's it. 5 ways that will help you glow up instantly. But still, if you want better results, then I have created a 7 days glow up challenge. This challenge will give you a complete reset in just 7 days. And don't worry, it's completely free. And after completing this challenge, you'll get access to something special. Here's how to join. Click on the link in the description. After coming to this page, enter your email. After that, open your Gmail app and open the spam folder. You'll be able to see the challenge, Start the Real Glow Up. I'll see you inside.